If you want to model an organic element with just a few clicks, there is a little miracle tools. I'm going to show you a geometry node that makes painting geometry as easy as using a pencil. If you haven't yet watched the video on how to install assets, go and watch it quickly before you start. I've put the link in the description. Now, display the asset library, then select the mesh painter, drag and drop into your scene, switch to edit mode to edit your curve, or use the draw tool to draw geometry. At any time, you can edit the scattering parameters in the Geometry Node control panel. You can disable the use on object collection to use an icosphere, modify its properties such as size or resolution, modify the scattering parameters, minimum and maximum size or rotation. To paint an object from a collection, from example to have grass, flowers, pebbles or tree, add element to mesh instance collection. This geometry painter also works very well with the remesh modifier and surface subdivision. Perfect for creating branch, tree roots and other very organic elements. If you have already created curve, you can also use the geometry node directly by simply dragging and dropping the node into geometry node window of your curve. You will find all the controllers we have seen here, and to view them in the modifier window too, you need to connect the input channel to the group input node. To try out this geometry node, which is a part of more complete form painter tool that I will tell you about in the future video, go to the Blender Market link in the description. Subscribe and like the video so you don't miss any future update